Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of collagen for gut health. So let's get started. All right, guys, so collagen is all the rage, and believe it or not, collagen makes up approximately 25% of your weight. It is the most abundant protein in your body, and it makes up our bones, it makes up our tendons, it makes up our muscles, and it makes up our skin, as well as a lot of internal organs. And this is a structural protein. When you think collagen, I want you guys to think structural protein, and it provides a youthful appearance to the skin by providing a firm yet elastic texture. Now, with age, the body does produce less collagen, resulting in wrinkled skin and aching joints. So collagen supplementation has been all of the rage for skin health these days, and while there are valid benefits to collagen with skin, there's something specific that I really want you guys to know that collagen really helps out with. I've been recommending collagen to people for years before it became this super beauty product. I've been recommending it to clients specifically to support gut health for those with food intolerances. So most people don't realize that your entire gastrointestinal tract is actually made up of skin, aka structural protein. Now, unfortunately, your gastrointestinal tract or your GI tract can actually be degraded as a result of bacterial imbalances, and it's going to throw off the lining of your GI tract, making it difficult for you to digest foods the way you normally would. So when you have this degradation of your GI tract, now keep in mind, you need a certain degree of permeability of your GI tract in order for nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream. However, there's something that happens when your GI tract becomes hyperpermeable. And what does it mean when it becomes hyperpermeable? It means that there are particles of food, pathogens, and just things that are leaching into the bloodstream, causing inflammation. Now, what causes this? This is caused by hyperpermeability, is known as intestinal leakage. This condition is also known as leaky gut. Now, keep in mind, again, that a certain degree of permeability is needed for the nutrients to be absorbed into the bloodstream. However, I'm talking about when poor diet, when stress, and all of these things wreak havoc on your gut and causing your gut to be hyperpermeable, which is not good. So this intestinal leakage is known as leaky gut. It's an intestinal permeability, and it's a condition where food particles, pathogens, and bacteria are able to enter the bloodstream due to your once sealed gut lining now being permeable, as you can see in this image here. So when this occurs, you guys, this results in inflammation due to an immune response in the body, which is the root cause of an entire host of health problems. So under normal circumstances, the cells in your body will create the digestive enzymes needed to help break the food down in the gut accordingly. However, when the cells are damaged, you're going to have a degradation in your body's ability to digest certain foods because all of the enzymes your body need are no longer there. And this can result in hormone imbalances. This can result in a compromised immune system when the body is just unable to absorb essential nutrients. So it's a problem. And signs that you may have a leaky gut include excessive fatigue, digestive issues, things like diarrhea, constipation, bloating, and gas, brain fog, as well as joint pain, nutrient deficiencies, as well as sugar cravings. So collagen supplementation can aid in restoring the balance to your gut because collagen is a structural protein which is going to line your esophagus, it's going to line your gut, and it is going to help provide a seal to that and make your gut less hyperpermeable. And again, your gut does need to be semi-permeable but not hyperpermeable, which is the problem here. So keep in mind that the intestinal walls of the gut consist of these microscopic villi, and the amino acids found in collagen naturally will literally seal the gaps, and it will prevent the leakages, promoting tissue growth and promoting and boosting cellular health. So if you've been struggling and you have not been able to digest all kinds of foods and your stomach is just all kinds of jacked up, you guys, you really want to improve the quality of the foods that you consume. It's not just about the calories. You really want to improve the quality, and collagen supplementation is excellent for improving your gut health. So if you have issues with digesting dairy, digesting grains, digesting gluten, digesting some of these foods that are really making your stomach upset, you may have leaky gut syndrome. And I do recommend collagen supplementation. If you guys ask me what collagen I recommend, I do recommend the Gauge Life collagen, the prime collagens. This is my new product. This is an excellent product for this. I recommend taking at least 1 serving in the morning with your coffee, or you can take it throughout the day with your tea. You can blend it into a smoothie as well, but I like taking it in warmer beverages. You can also blend it into soups. You could blend it into sauces like tomato sauce. There's so many different ways you can take it, but my favorite way is to blend it in with my morning coffee. I'll also have like a teaspoon of it later in the day with my afternoon tea, but it's flavorless, odorless. It does not change the viscosity of your liquid, so it dissolves clear. So if you want to check that out, you guys, I'll have the link below to check that out. But please note that collagen is good for so much more than just your skin health. So make sure you check out the Prime Collagen Peptides. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions about gut health and collagen supplementation, comment below. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.